Select the blood sample. Allow the clear sera to separate on the top. Add the serum sample to the cassette. Add the wash push buffer to the cassette. Wait 10 minutes. At 10 minutes, use the cube reader to measure progesterone concentration. Place the cassette into the adapter, using the orientation notch on the adapter to correctly align over the cassette sample well. Place the cube reader on the adapter. Press the button to turn the unit on. Press the button again to scan the card. The progesterone concentration is displayed in nanograms per ml.